Hey there, curl enthusiasts! Are you tired of spending hours trying to achieve the perfect curls? Well, fret no more! Today, I've got you covered with the ultimate guide to the top 5 Marcel curling irons on the market. Say goodbye to frizzy, unruly hair and hello to flawless curls that last all day long. At number 1 position, we have Babyliss Pro Marcel Curling Iron. The Babyliss Pro Marcel Curling Iron is a game changer in the world of hairstyling. With its sleek design and advanced technology, this curling iron delivers salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home. Key features. Featuring a durable Marcel handle and ultra-smooth barrel, this curling iron offers precise control and effortless styling. Its adjustable temperature settings allow for customization according to your hair type and desired curl intensity. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to frizzy, unruly hair and hello to flawless curls that last all day long. Whether you're aiming for loose waves or tight curls, this curling iron delivers professional-grade results with minimal effort. Usability. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during styling sessions, while the swivel cord allows for effortless maneuverability. Plus, its lightweight construction makes it easy to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Babyliss Pro Marcel Curling Iron is built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance and stunning results. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Hot Tools, Marcel Curling Iron. Elevate your styling game with the Hot Tools, Marcel Curling Iron. Engineered for professional-grade performance, this curling iron is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve flawless curls with ease. Key features. Boasting an innovative Marcel handle and titanium barrel, this curling iron offers unparalleled precision and durability. Its advanced heat settings allow for customizable styling, while the ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort and control. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to mediocre curls and hello to salon-worthy results with the Hot Tools, Marcel Curling Iron. Whether you have thick, coarse hair or fine, delicate strands, this curling iron delivers consistent heat distribution for uniform curls every time. Usability. Designed with the user in mind, this curling iron features a lightweight construction and swivel cord for hassle-free styling. Plus, its intuitive controls make it easy to adjust the temperature to suit your unique hair needs. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the Hot Tools. Marcel Curling Iron is crafted from premium materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. The number 3 position is held by Sam Villa Marcel Curling Iron. Meet your new styling companion, the Sam Villa Marcel Curling Iron. Designed by industry professionals, this curling iron combines cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design for salon-quality results at home. Key features. With its innovative Marcel handle and ceramic barrel, this curling iron delivers consistent heat distribution and frizz-free curls. Its customizable temperature settings cater to all hair types, while the lightweight construction ensures effortless styling. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to shiny, bouncy curls with the Sam Villa Marcel Curling Iron. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stylist, this curling iron makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Usability. Engineered for ease of use, this curling iron features an ergonomic handle and swivel cord for maximum maneuverability. Plus, its intuitive controls and digital display make it simple to adjust the temperature for optimal styling. Durability. Built to last, the Sam Villa Marcel Curling Iron is crafted from high-quality materials that can withstand the demands of daily styling, ensuring years of reliable performance and stunning results. Next at number 4, we have Paul Mitchell Pro Marcel Curling Iron. Get ready to transform your locks with the Paul Mitchell Pro Marcel Curling Iron. Engineered for precision and performance, this curling iron is a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve salon-quality curls at home. Key features. Featuring a sleek Marcel handle and premium-grade titanium barrel, This curling iron delivers consistent heat and long-lasting curls. Its adjustable temperature settings cater to all hair types, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair and hello to voluminous, bouncy curls with the Paul Mitchell Pro Marcel Curling Iron. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday look, this curling iron delivers flawless results every time. Usability. Designed for ease of use, this curling iron features a lightweight construction and swivel cord for effortless styling. Plus, its intuitive controls make it easy to adjust the temperature for optimal results without any guesswork. Durability. Built to withstand the test of time, the Paul Mitchell Pro Marcel Curling Iron is crafted from premium materials that can endure the demands of daily styling, ensuring years of reliable performance and stunning curls. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Amica Marcel Curler. Say hello to the Amica Marcel Curler, your ticket to effortless beachy waves and glamorous curls. Designed with versatility and performance in mind, this curling iron is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve salon-worthy results at home. Key features. Boasting a sleek Marcel handle and tourmaline barrel, this curling iron delivers consistent heat and frizz-free curls. Its adjustable temperature settings cater to all hair types, while the lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during styling sessions. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to time-consuming styling routines and hello to effortlessly chic curls with the Amica Marcel Curler. Whether you're going for a relaxed, beachy look or glamorous red carpet curls, this curling iron makes it easy to achieve your desired style with minimal effort. Usability. Designed for maximum convenience, this curling iron features an ergonomic handle and swivel cord for easy maneuverability. Plus, its intuitive controls and digital display make it simple to adjust the temperature for optimal results without any hassle. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, the Amica Marcel Curler is built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance and stunning curls that turn heads wherever you go. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to the best Marcel curling irons on the market. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a beginner, these curling irons are sure to elevate your styling game and help you achieve flawless curls with ease. Say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to salon-worthy locks that turn heads wherever you go. Thanks for watching and happy styling!